So there's basically 5 conditions related to clearance that are addressed currently. So the typical is a 4-inch clearance from grade or 2-inch clearance from a paved surface. However, the first adjustment is you can lower that clearance all the way down to a 1/2 inch if the paved surface you're coming down to is supported by the same foundation as the wall you're installing stone on. For example, a front porch set back 10 feet or so. There's a porch slab, you're installing stone on that front wall. The slab is supported by the same foundation as that front wall. That's what this detail is, and that's what this graphic attempts to show you. In the second condition, you're going to weep the system at the plate to foundation transition and then continue down the wall. When you get to the bottom, you would leave a 2-inch clearance from earth or 1/2 inch clearance from a paved surface. In the third one, this is a scenario where you're going to bridge the transition between plate and foundation. You're going to carry the lath and the WRBs passed right through that transition all the way to the bottom. It could be 2 feet down, it could be 8 feet down, but when you get to the bottom, you're going to terminate with a weep screed. And in that condition, you are back to a 4-inch clearance from grade or 2-inch clearance from a paved surface. The last two I'm going to talk about together because the answer is the same. So if I'm installing on an exterior concrete or CMU wall, there's no wood in that wall whatsoever. That's a susceptible material, wood is, and so since it's not in there, you can take clearance 2-inch if it's earth or 1/2 inch if it's a paved surface. Likewise, if you're installing on a wall that's a landscape feature, it has no living space on either side. Signs are a great example. Again, 2-inch clearance from earth or 1/2 inch clearance from a paved surface.